Hello friends, this is Groovy for Yarcrypto.com, and today I have a new update for you guys on the markets. This is a follow-up on our latest updates, and as you guys can see, we have BTC 4-hour chart over here. And if you guys remember what we were talking about in the last updates, we talked about this sloping resistance, this diagonal resistance that we had a lot of touches in the past. And we talked about a possible retest of this resistance, right, of this support right here. And as you guys can see, we got rejected by this area right here, which is the 42K range. And we came down, and now we are retesting perfectly this level right here, as we talked about earlier. So this right here is the 37K range, 37 and a half, something like that. And as you guys can see from the wicks that we have in the last couple of hours, the last 4 hours candles, uh, it seems to have a lot of buying pressure because the candles are getting absorbed in this area of support right here. So this looks promising. If we can hold out on this area, I can see us going back up and possibly retesting this 40 to 42K resistance once again, and possibly even breaking it. So we're gonna have to wait and see how it's gonna play out from here. Also, another thing that happened in the last few days is the DXY. We had a big rally for the DXY in the last few days. So we have a 2% increase. That's a lot for the DXY. And this actually helped on this downside movement for BTC and for the other markets as well. So now the question is if the DXY is going to slow down a little bit, and if this is going to allow actually Bitcoin and the crypto market to make a little recovery from here. Now, if we look at Ethereum, we have also the 4-hour chart over here. And if you guys remember, we were following this double top pattern. And as you guys can see, it played out perfectly. We hit perfectly our target for this pattern, which is the 2300. And right now we are testing this level again, confluent with BTC and its support level as well. And very similar to BTC, we seems to have a little buying pressure right now at these levels. So it's gonna be nice to actually see if we can bounce from this area and possibly coming up again to this level right here, which is the 2600, and possibly making a triple top in this area right here. And if this is the case for Ethereum and we actually make it a triple top, this is a very bullish pattern, and I expect us to actually break this 2600 resistance right here, and possibly coming up all the way up to the 2800s or 2900s in the future. The bearish scenario for Ethereum would be if we break down from this support that we are testing right now. If this were to happen, we would probably come down to this $2,000, 2,100 level, and we would probably retest this level as support once again. Now, if we look at the EMAs for Ethereum, we have the 21 EMA on the daily time frame, still acting as resistance. So it's confluent with the previous resistance that we had on the 2600 level. And we have also the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, which is also very confluent with this range of resistance. So as you guys can see, this is a major area for us if we're gonna move up from here. Now, Bitcoin, some EMAs as well. We have the 200 EMA on the 4-hour as well. As you guys can see, we got rejected by it the last time we touched it. So this is another thing to watch for BTC. And the 21 EMA on the daily time frame, which we lost. And now it's acting as resistance as well. So it's going to be interesting to see how the price is going to react to this 21 EMA on the daily time frame. But this is all I have for you guys today. We're going to keep you guys updated throughout the day. If you are interested in more of our content, you can access yarcrypto.com. We also have a Discord community when we do live TA and we talk about all crypto related stuff. There's a lot of really nice people that you can talk to over there. So if you are interested in that, you can consider checking it out. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been Groovy for yarcrypto.com, and bye bye.